Hi, I'm Julene, and welcome to my visual astrology blog for the week of October 28th to November 3rd. I have the sky here set for 6:30 p.m. on October 28th, and you'll see that at 6:45 you should be able to notice Mercury shining through the evening twilight. Now by 7 p.m. Mercury is going to be set and Venus will be set a bit afterwards, a bit after 7. So tonight look for the moon above the southwest horizon. Look a bit to your right and you should be able to locate Venus and Mercury. There are no other stars visible in the immediate area. The closest one is way over here. It is Arcturus in Boots, so you won't be able to mistake that for Mercury or Venus. Now, as I advance this through the week, I want to show you the movement of Mercury and Venus through the week. This will be at 6:45 p.m. all week long, and they're going to be moving here towards Scorpio. So here we go. This is Saturday night the 29th, Sunday, Monday, that's the 31st, November 1st, November 2nd, November 3rd, next Thursday, and November 4th, next Friday. So you will definitely see some movement of Venus and Mercury. You won't notice their movement against the backdrop of fixed stars because it really is too light before they set, but you will be able to notice them moving more toward the southwest each night at sunset. And if you do happen to locate a red star over here to the left of Venus and Mercury, that's going to be Antares. That's at the heart of the Scorpion. It actually translates to not Mars or rival of Mars, Ares being Mars in the Greek pantheon, and this is a red star. I'm going to go back to the 28th. Okay, we're back to Friday night here with Venus and Mercury by the moon. And we're going to turn our gaze to the eastern horizon so we can look for Jupiter. Jupiter will be rising in the east. So at 6:45 you can look out to the east and see Jupiter, and you can look to the west and see Mercury and Venus. Now there's 7 p.m. and I'm going to go through the week here with Jupiter. Jupiter still isn't going to move very much. It's going to remain here in this area of Aries. But there's Saturday the 29th, the 30th, Monday the 31st, Tuesday November 1st, November 2nd, November 3rd, and next Friday November 4th. So Jupiter will be rising around 6:15. This is 6:15. Jupiter's rising while it's still light out on November 4th. And I'm going to go back to the 28th, and we're going to watch for Mars. Okay. All right, there's 7 p.m. on the 28th. Jupiter will be in the east, Mercury will have just set, and Venus will be in the west. Now, if we go to about 2 a.m., we're going to find Mars rising. It's 10, it's midnight, 1 a.m., 2 a.m. There's Mars in Leo. Mars is going to rise around 2 a.m. this week in the constellation Leo. I'm going to bump this up to 2:30 so you can watch Mars move closer to Regulus this week. He's going to get about halfway there. Mars is going to wind up here by next Friday. So if we watch, here's the 29th, which is 2:30 a.m. Saturday morning. And whoop, there's the 30th, 31st, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. Okay, so this week you will be able to track some of Mars's movement through the constellation Leo. And then the next planet that we have rising this week is going to be Saturn. Let's go back to 2:30. And Saturn is going to rise just before the dawn in the constellation Virgo. Okay, there's 6:30. Saturn's going to rise about 6:30 on November 4th. But let me take us back to the beginning of the week here. Okay, October 28th. October 29th for Saturday morning. There's Saturn rising at 6:45. So he's rising at 6:45 this Friday and about 6:30 next Friday. So he's rising a bit earlier. Now Saturn isn't going to move a whole lot in relation to Spica this month, but if you do see a bright star underneath Saturn, that's Spica. And Saturn is just a little bit brighter than Spica, not much. You can see here, this says 0.96 under Spica. That's the apparent magnitude. Absolute magnitude is 1. So anything, it's really weird how it works. Anything less than 1 is brighter, and as the numbers get higher than 1, they become dimmer. So Saturn is actually brighter than Spica because it's at 0.73 magnitude. So there's Saturn on the morning of the 29th, so that's Saturday morning. There's Sunday morning, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and next Friday morning. Saturn covered a teeny bit of sky right in through here, but there's really nothing that's going to show you that any observable, noticeable movement for Saturn. But so there you have it for the week. In the morning, and I'm going to go ahead and back this up to 7 a.m. and let's set this for Monday morning. Monday morning, Monday morning's Halloween. There we go. Okay, and let me give you a 180 view so you can see everything that's visible in the morning. Saturn's going to be in the east, Mars will be above the southeast, and Jupiter will be setting in the west. So in the morning sky, you can see Jupiter setting in the west, Mars above the east-southeast, and Saturn over here rising in the east. So all three of these planets are visible in the morning sky. Jupiter, of course, is visible all night long. Jupiter is rising at sunset and setting at sunrise. And then in the evening, of course, you can catch Mercury until just before 7 p.m. and Venus until just after 7 p.m. Those will be setting in the west. So there's the sky tour for this week. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you next week.